So here we have this VEVOR 38-inch dog crate. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. It came packaged in this box here, and then opening it up, there's quite a bit of foam surrounding it, as well as in between the different pieces. Here's all the pieces that come with it. There's the 4 pieces for the wall, this plastic tray for the bottom, and then this wood piece for the top. There's also 2 of these other pieces, some hardware to put it together, and the instruction manual. Looks like it should be fairly simple to put together, so let's go ahead and do that now. First, you're going to lay out the top board upside down, then attach one of these metal square tubes to each side. Each one takes 2 screws, and make sure the threaded inserts are facing outwards. Now we're going to attach the short sides of the frame to those metal square tubes. One of these has a door, and the other one's just a solid cage, and they are interchangeable. Next, you're going to attach the front and back to those 2 short side pieces. And again, one of these pieces has a door and the other one is solid, and you can put them on either side. The final step before flipping it over is going to be to screw in these leveling feet, put one into each corner, then flip the whole cage over, slide in this plastic tray, and finally screw in the little metal dog bone piece to the side with the door. And there we go, super easy to put together, took about 10 minutes. The frame is mostly made from this nice black painted metal. It's only held together with 2 screws on each corner, but it is pretty sturdy. And this top is made out of particle board covered in laminate. It has this nice rustic brown looking finish. It's nice and smooth and easy to clean, and I definitely wouldn't recommend putting this much weight on top, but you can see it is able to hold my weight. And then this bottom tray here is just one solid piece of plastic. It's not connected to the frame at all, and it's really easy to take it out if you need to clean it. You just twist this piece at the bottom and then pull it out. And it also has these plastic leveling feet. And the cage actually has 2 doors. There's one on the front here, and then there's also one on the side, and they're exactly the same. The opening measures about 21 inches tall and about 16 inches wide. So yeah, overall, it seems like a pretty nice dog crate. It's really sturdy. It's a good size. I also really like the look of it, and it's just a really good price for what you get.